Alright, Jake said dice him. So 1's on top, 8's on the bottom. Gonna do some Prizm, and then we will do 10 we don't have. Sorry guys, waiting for update. Box 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hobby box 5. Don't forget drafts next week, guys. I think this should start picking up a little more. Isaiah Stewart, Therese Halliburton, supposed to be top 10. Isaiah Stewart, rookie silver. Tress Tinkle, which is Fung's PC. Trey Tinkle. Cole Anthony out of 299. Cassius Stanley. Ruby Wave, Haggins, and Haggins. Jameis Ramsey, Isaac Okoro, nice. James Wiseman, silver, Crusade. And Sabin Lee, red to 199. Hyper Azubuike, that's not numbered. Jalen Smith to 149. Killian Hayes, Precious Ashua. Killian Hayes, Theo Maladin, Cole Anthony, silver. And Ashton Haggins, Hyper Auto. Out of SC, I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name, but he was on the box for draft picks. Onyeke Ngangwu, or Okongwu, out of 49. Trey Jones, Killian Hayes, Patrick Williams. Wiseman, Anthony, Maladon, silver. Caleb Holmesley, auto. Vernon Carey Jr., Hyper. Devin Dotson, Ruby Wave, Ramsey, and Okoro. Maladon, Tillman, silver, and nice out of 149. Dice was kind to you. LaMelo Ball. Boom shakalaka. That's very nice, Jake. That's the guy you want. RJ Hampton, Hyper, and Kongwu out of 199. Where to next, bud? Got Choice, and I got No Huddle, and I got 7 of these left. Yes. Yes, Jake. I got 2 Fast Break, and I got 2 Choice. Odd even a Choice. Even. So top or bottom is even, Jake. Bottom is even. Jake's going to do a Choice, and notice it says Choice in the corner. These say Hobby in the corner. So 2 silver Prizms and an auto. Let's see how good this stuff is. Good luck, Jake. we got Ashton Hagens silver. Ooh, we got a tiger stripe. Boom. So we got the variation and the regular silver. Our auto is going to be Robert Woodard II out of 88. And we got a tiger stripe. Ads. Of course there's ads. Alright. So first two cards, Ashton Hagens, blue jersey and white jersey silver. Our auto is Robert Woodard to 88, 50 of 88. We do have a tiger stripe, Jake. It's right here. I'm going to show it last. We got Precious Shunwa, 70 of 88. Or Eshiwa. I don't know how to say his name. We have a Sadiq Bey, not numbered, blue, green, yellow, or blue, yellow, green. Another Precious, blue, yellow, green. And a Cassius Winston, blue, yellow, green. And our tiger stripe is Cole Anthony, SSP tiger stripe. Alright, so I got one choice left. I got two fast break. Odd even a fast break. One odd top.
So if we did it.
What do we do?
Got your favorite player, Frank.
Sean Kim?
Oh, Brett Barry.
Nice. Hey, he's a slam dunk champion. You can never take him away.
He's a slam dunk champion.
Yeah. Slam dunk champion, Brett Barry. Top.
Bring your face. Yep.
Alright, let's see how this is. Just a tiger stripe.
A really deep box for
5 packs, yeah. It's the E&E box. I got Jalen Smith. They're all disco? Okay. Killian Hayes. Trey Jones. Denny Avija. You might be top 5.
Killian Hayes is going to be good, too.
And Nico Mannion at a 175.
Should be decent, too.
Problem with Nico Mannion, I think he's just a point guard. Like, he's not a scoring guard.
No. Yeah, but he can get to the hoop pretty decent.
Yeah.
He can hit shots, too.
Marcus Howard. Tyler Bay. Isaac Okoro, silver. And red, Peyton Pritchard to 125.
I think the thing you need to question about Nico Mannion is his athleticism.
Yep. Killian Hayes. Precious Achiuwa. Killian Hayes. Those are not numbered. Our auto is Omar Yurtseven. And Aaron Neesmith. 175. Patrick Williams. Jameis Ramsey. Isaac Okoro, silver, Precious, purple, Jordan Nwora. 11 of 25 on this one. And Najee, Pritchard, Hagens, Kira Lewis Jr. We had another Lamella. That was a hobby. And Cole Anthony at 175. I don't know how I feel about that. I think choice is probably better.
This card don't like the player.
Yeah. The gold vinyls from Phoenix are dope. Alright, Jake, you done? No!
Go to the other one. Let's do it.
It's a nice even number if you do another one, Jake. No, you didn't realize
I should have figured what this is.
I didn't realize
She's
the
wearing
TV was
like a
still
low-cut
on.
top, so I'm just like, who's that? Looks like some kind of horror movie. That's Sarah Michelle Gellar.
The Buffy? So it's a dice a hobby. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three. This pack's gonna be last because it was hiding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, good luck, man.
I know what you did last summer? Maybe?
Alright. Remote's there for good. Naismith, Isaac Okoro Silver, and Theo Maladon.
Yeah, I know what you did last summer.
Weird. Did you see the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air reunion stuff? Apparently they're bringing that show back.
Or why?
Because Will Smith wants to.
Why? Because he would go back for him?
Because he needs money. I don't know.
Oh, God.
Jada's going to take all of it. Isaac Okoro, Sadiq Bey, Obi Toppin. James Wiseman, Avija, Devin Vassell Silver, Precious, Ashua, Auto. Isaac Okoro out of 99, Precious, Ruby Wave, Okongwa Maxi. Dotson, Stanley, Avija Silver, Ibuya, Paul Aboya, the 149. Red, Therese Maxey, 299. Jaden McDaniels, Devin Dotson, Najee. I know, he's all over this stuff. Halliburton, this kid's supposed to be a top 10. Naismith, Precious Silver, and Elijah Hughes, orange out of 49. Najee, Hyper, Onyeka out of 149. RJ Nico, and the hiding pack. RJ Hampton, Nawara, Josh Green, Silver, and Alpha Diallo, the 149. Peyton Pritchard, Cassius Winston, Nico, and Woodard. Any more, Jake? Or are we good? I assume that round number is probably where we stop for you, but let me know. Give you the other choice? All right. That is not choice. That is choice. Good luck, man. That's nice. LaMelo, Global Prospect. That's a nice one, Jake. Tyrese Maxey, Silver. Nico, Silver. Yeetus. 77 of 88. Yeetus. Tiger Stripe. Sadiq Bey. It's our second Tiger in 2 boxes. Red. Kira Lewis Jr. 64 of 88. Vernon Carey and Udoka Azubuike. Blue, green, yellow. I'm going to see if I can get some more of this stuff. I think the choice is where it's at. Alright, Jake, I appreciate that, man. Let me know when you send